What's that one called, mate?
Phoenix.
Mm.
It was a phoenix. It's got little phoenix left in it. Nib weights on the end of them, as you recommended at the club night. But oh, there's servos are there now. So it's a different aeroplane. Right. Is this for the archives?
Yep.
You know that one where your little one that took off, went round and crashed? A little red.
Yeah, Scorpion.
I filmed that. Did I ever give you a copy?
I don't think so.
I actually filmed it. You standing there, letting it went.
Well, my next job is to fix it, which literally this week. So it'll be interesting to, when I get another shot of it flying, to bung that on the front.
You did. You set it off there and it went.
Yeah.
Bang.
I know. I turned it too quickly.
Oh, well, you got a record of that then?
Yeah. Because there's no elevator on that. Two-channel job.
Oh, I got magnets.
Brilliant.
They're very cheap online. 50 of them for £3,
Can't be bad, eh?
including the post. I had 2 pairs. Neo something magnets there. I got the 2 strong ones.
Yep, and then we'll just do a little check. So how you do a range check on this particular booster?
It's rumbling. Oh, hang on. I've got bits of tape to stop me. That's it.
Okay, I'll just have a little trundle over here and
It's rumbling, this one.
we need to trim that up a bit more if we can.
Yeah, it's true.
Well, it's as near as we're going to get it because they're both slightly down, but that won't matter. Ah, no, it doesn't return to where you tell it. Very silly.
Got too slack on it.
Do you want me to tighten it up underneath?
Okay. Let's go and do a quick range check.
Do you want me?
Better get over this way a bit, nearer to the rest of the gang. See what occurs, yeah. Let's see if it wants to go first, if it knows it's over or something. Can you point it, sorry, can you point it just in that corner a little bit? A bit nervous, wasn't it? What's that? Is that good? No. Bloody good job and all.
Yeah, well, I made one for my grandson.
Oh, well.
I couldn't believe that I used to make
It works.
Well done.
Very, very sensitive to the aileron stick, as you can imagine.
Yeah.
With all that throw.
I don't know how I can alter it.
Well,
I mean, on the 35 megahertz, you can dampen it down.
well, you can on any other.
You can't on that
No,
cheapo.
that's right. I fear that your only real answer would be to buy a quick transmit.
Or put it on back on the 35 meg, because I've got plenty of receivers.
If you have, then that might be an answer, yeah. If you've got throw adjustment on it, then that's, yeah, why not?
And the Phoenix one, you can have it down different to going up.
Going around in a gentle circle, you can use the rudder really to turn and mess it. If you use too much aileron, you'll find it upside down. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Once they get over your head, they're above it. You have to rotate, and then the next thing you know, you're staring into the sun and you're in trouble. Okay, here we go. Let's get her up to a bit more. Ready? There you go.
Well, it is sensitive, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's got quite a big surface on the controls, and back off the throttle a touch because it's climbing. You've got more than one battery, haven't you?
Oh, yeah, I've got a charger here. I'll charge it up by the way.
Yes. Right, let's see how she
Got some sunshine motion as well. So I want to
Dirty.
I just wanted to see it tonight, so. But then you told me where I need to know, so I'm going to make it less sensitive. Can you see that over there?
Hold the starboard rather. Bring her back.
It's got enough power, then.
Yeah, and before it comes up, you're doing good undercarriage. It's nice and wide and it's at the right angle. Just won't fall over the long straight to the bottom. Yeah. Sorry.
It's all right.
That's the way you have to do it.
It's not peaked out, no, it's quite a new engine. It's still running at split.
Running in.
Paul? So is that moving enough for you?
Yeah. Right.
So Tom, this is a gamble.
Mike's rebuilt, now semi-hot
Well, I'm
liner.
lifting this glider up.
We haven't got the launch crane, so he's going to try and fling it. Let's get up there before that jet does. Because we don't
This
want to
is
show him
motor
up.
power over.
Over here, Mike.
Motor power.
Couple of bolts missing from the wing assembly.
A minor point.
I bought
Bloody
that for
hell.
a second.
Now here, wait a sec. Yes.
That's Lou. That's good to see you.
Yeah.
I want to work well on the Apollo program. Don't lift the bolts off. Sorry, mate. And if it comes down, I want it spectacular. I'm not going to rebuild it again. Never.
What do you mean if it comes down? It'll come down eventually. It's just as long as it comes down.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It went. Ah, Felix is all right. Felix has risen. Felix has risen again for the 5th time. 5 times it's risen from the dead.
Those years of the javelin at school were well spent.
It's supposed to be flying faster, isn't it?
Power is now off.
Don't fly.